I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is JV. Today we are here to do the 4th week of WOW. People who are doing this workout from this video or watching this channel for the first time, please do check out my previous videos so that you'll come to know what WOW is. The significance of today's WOW is based on chair. Yeah guys, today we are going to do the main workout. All the exercises will be based on chair. So guys, before moving on to the main workout, we'll be doing the mobility session so that we'll warm up our target muscles to avoid any strain or cramps. The first exercise is alternate T-spine hold. Come back to the high plank position. Now, lift your right hand up by twisting your body. Hold this movement for 20 seconds. Now shift to another side. Make sure your spine is neutral in a straight line and your hands are straight. Your knees also should be in a straight line. Three, 2 and 1. The second movement is hamstring swipes. Now in hamstring swipes, the target muscles will be your hamstrings. In this movement, you are going to bend the right leg with soft, but keep your left leg straight, toes pointing to the ceiling. In this movement, you need to swipe till you go down to the toe and up. Alternate your leg and up. We'll be doing this movement for 20 seconds, alternating. 3, 2 and 1. Three, 2 and 1. The third movement is world's greatest stretch. In this movement, come down to high plank position. Now bring your left leg forward and with your same hand touch the elbow down and up. Elbow down and up. Elbow down and up. Down and up. Make sure you do at least 10 repetitions each side. Shift. Make sure your leg is in front of your hand. Now down and up. Down and up. Relax. And the last movement is foot fire. As you know, in the mobility session, in every session we do a cardio movement in the end so that we bring up our heart rate. So we are doing this movement today is foot fires. 3, 2 and 1. Come back on your toes. tap your toes as fast as you can. Do this movement for 20 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. So guys, we are done with the mobility session. We'll be doing the main workout. In today's main workout, we'll be doing 4 movements which are based on chair, and each movement you're going to do 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off. So guys, for the first movement, which is called decline push-ups. In this movement, you need to come down onto the high plank position with your legs rested on the chair. Make sure your knees are straight, your back is come down parallel to the ground. Now, you need to touch the ground and up. Touch the ground and up. Make sure your elbows are inward, not outwards. Down and up. Down and up. Relax. The second movement is called chair dips. In this position, you need to sit on the chair. Take the width by keeping your hands beside your butts. Now, come forward with your legs extended, knees straight. Now, in this position, you need to go down and up. Down and up. Make sure you're forming a good 90 degrees with both your body and your hands. Relax. The third movement is alternate step ups. In this movement, you need to face front of your chair. Now, lift your left leg up, stand up tall, get down. Now your right leg up, stand up tall and get down. Left leg up, stand up tall and get down. Right leg up, stand up tall and get down. Relax. So you need to do at least 10 repetitions each side. The fourth movement is pike push-ups. This movement is focused on your shoulders. Now in this movement you need to come back to the high plank position. One difference between the decline push-up and pike push-up is, in pike push-up you get back to the mountain positions with your hip raised and your knees straight. Now in this position you need to dip down with your head between your hands. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Relax. Make sure your knees are straight while doing the piking. So guys, we have demonstrated the 4 movements. Now we'll be doing 1 round of each exercise starting with first movement, decline push-up.
Trying to get your redemption, but now that I'm gone, you want me back. Yeah, I gave you everything, gave you a diamond ring to watch it fall from your head.
Shake your hands. The second movement is chair dips. The third movement is alternate step ups. Three, 2, and 1.
You came back to me. I don't trick or treat. Don't knock on my door. Don't want you no more.
The last movement is pike push-ups.
There's never less to you. I played the game but lost the bet. I don't wanna love again. Yeah, I don't wanna love again.
One, two, three, relax.
So guys, we are done with the main workout. Now, today's wow will be having a finisher workout which we call a blast workout. We'll have a challenge of 1 minute. In this workout, you need to do 30 seconds of one movement and 30 seconds of another movement. You need to do at least 2 rounds of this 1 minute challenge. So in this challenge, we'll be having 2 movements. First movement is burpees. Yes guys, burpees. In burpees, take a jump, get back to high plank, do a dip, up, forward and stand tall. Take a jump, down, dip, up, move forward and jump. So we are going to do 30 seconds of burpees, and the second movement is plank hold. In plank hold, make sure your core is tight, your back is straight and legs extended forward. You need to hold this for 30 seconds. So guys, we'll do this challenge for 1 minute and you need to do 1 more minute at your place. Come on. We'll be starting in 3, 2 and 1. Jump, down, dip, up, jump, down, dip, up, jump. 5 seconds more. Come on guys, 1 more repetition. 3, 2 and 1. The second movement is plank hold. Starting in 3, 2 and 1.
You came back to me. I don't trick or treat. Don't knock on my door. Don't want you no more. You broke me, and I don't wanna see.
3, 2 and 1. So guys, we have done the finisher workout also. Now we'll be moving on to the stretching session. So guys, we will be doing stretching session which consists of 4 movements. The first movement is child pose. Sit on your calves. Now bring your body down to the ground and hold. You need to hold for 20 seconds. Three, 2 and 1. The second movement is dragon pose, or we call it as quad stretch. In this, you need to bring your left leg forward, keep your hands on your hip, move your body forward. Hold here for 20 seconds. Switch the other side. make sure you are not lifting your toes up. Three, 2, and 1. The third movement is hamstring stretch. Keep your left leg straight, forward. Now, touch your toes with your hands. Hold here for 20 seconds. If you are not able to balance, you keep your other hand down. If you are able to balance, you keep your both hands touching your toes. Switch other side. Three, 2, and 1. And the last movement is standing shoulder stretch. In this, you need to keep your left hand straight. Now bend it at your elbow. With other hand, pull your hand down. Hold here for 20 seconds. Switch to other side. Three, 2, and 1. Relax. So guys, we are done with this main workout and stretching. You need to do at least 4 rounds of the main workout and 2 rounds of the finisher workout. Make sure you sip at least small amounts of water in between each round and take 30 seconds of rest. Hope you guys have enjoyed this session a lot. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. People who have started doing this workout from this session, please do check out my previous videos and like the videos. And if people who have already doing this session, who are the advanced people, please let me know your comments or your feedbacks in the comment section. Until then, JV signing off.
'Cause